Hello Sec 2. So today we're going to learn about titration. First, we need a stand. This is a stand. And then next, we need a clamp. So this is a clamp with the black thing to hold your burette, and this hole is used to attach this clamp on the stand. And next, we attach this clamp and tighten it into the stand. This is the arrangement, the stand and the clamp. Okay, and then next, the second step, we need a burette. This is the burette, and wait, I need a container for waste. So this one is the burette. When you pour a solution into the burette, for example like this, and then you rotate the knob, then the solution can flow. But when you return to the first position, the solution will be stopped. And then next, we need to wash the burette with distilled water to make sure that our burette is clean. This is how we wash the burette. You need to rotate the burette so that inside the burette will be washed with distilled water, and throw it away from the top and bottom side as well. Don't forget to close the knob so that when you fill another solution, the solution will not flow. And next, wash with the next solution that will you use as a titrant, and don't forget to throw it away. Okay? The third step is you should fix the burette on a stand. Squeeze the handle and the rubber knobs will separate from each other. The burette clamp will then be put between the rubber knobs. We use a funnel to transfer the solution into a burette. So this is how we pour a solution into a burette. Be careful, because if it's too much, it will overwhelm. If you see under the burette's knob, there are some air over there. So we have to avoid the air by rotating the knob so that the solution will be flow. So now the air already removed. And don't forget to make the solution into 0 scale. And the fourth step, we will transfer a solution using measuring pipette and rubber bulb. This is the solution that we're gonna transfer. And next, we need to remove the air inside the rubber bulb. By pressing A button and squeezing the rubber bulb, we will remove the air. By pressing S button, we can suck the solution into the pipette. We need a little bit of solution to rinse the measuring pipette to make sure that the pipette already cleaned with the solution that we're gonna use. By using the same technique as we used to clean up the burette and then throw it to the waste. Wipe the remaining solution to make sure that it is dry. And after that, you are ready to transfer the solution into a conical flask. This is how we transfer the solution. Suck the solution until it is more than 0 scale. Wipe the pipette, and then next, adjust the scale to be 0 by releasing or pressing the E button and it will show like this. So the button of the concave should be at the 0 scale. So next, you're ready to transfer your solution into a conical flask. This is how we transfer the solution into a conical flask. By pressing E button, then we can release the solution into a conical flask. And then next, the fifth step. Add a few drops of indicator solution into the solution that we're gonna titrate. Transfer it using dropper 3 to 4 drops only, not more than that. Next, the sixth step. Use a white tile or white A4 paper underneath the conical flask to recognize the endpoint by changing color of the solution. Performing titration, you have to do it by yourself. I suggest you to use your left hand side to rotate the knob of the burette and use your right hand side to shake the conical flask so that the solution will mix all the time. Add the titrant until the color of the solution changes. It depends on the reaction and indicator that you use. The color change indicates that the reaction has been done. This is an example of a good titration. So the color is not too bright. And don't forget to record the final volume that we used. Bye bye.